I have been getting a lot of comments and messages recently saying that I have been publishing books since the last couple of months, but I am not able to get any results from KDP publishing. So this type of message is really common, and people especially when they are starting out, it's easy to get frustrated with this platform. But today in this video I'm going to give you 4 tips that are super helpful, and they will definitely help you to boost your sales in terms of KDP publishing. So even if you are getting decent sales in KDP, these 4 tips will be super helpful to boost your sales. So you are going to find a lot of valuable information in this video. So without any further delay, let's head on to my laptop and let's start today's video. People do judge a book by its cover. Psychologists have long known that people form judgments about other people within the first 7 seconds of meeting them. Books are no different. When you have just published a book and it don't have any rating or reviews in it, the book cover is the major thing that people see to decide if they want to make a purchase. You might have created the most amazing interior, spending days or even weeks, but sadly, if your cover design is not appealing to the customers, it's difficult to sell your book. If you are a graphic designer, then creating high quality book covers might not be that big of a deal, but even if you aren't, learning these 2 basic principles of graphic design will help you to create book covers that are appealing to the customers. The first thing that you need to learn is typography fundamentals. I am not going to go into absolute detail here, but there are few basic typographical elements that you need to know. They are typeface, hierarchy, contrast, consistency, alignment, white space, and color. Even a basic understanding of each of these design elements can revolutionize any design project. Just head on to YouTube, you will find a bunch of different videos regarding this topic. The next thing that will drastically improve the quality of your book cover is learning color theory. Color theory helps you to understand how humans perceive colors and the visual effects of how colors mix, match, and contrast with each other. There has been a huge research on how colors affect the buying decision of customers, so it's crucial that you learn to use colors properly. It is always good to learn the basic fundamentals of color theory, and there are various different videos available on YouTube on this topic. But if you don't want to learn it, then you can use the websites that I have provided on the description below to generate various different color palettes that are created using the color theory. These websites saves you a lot of time and provides a bunch of different design ideas for your project, so make sure you check them out. I bet you have heard this advice hundreds of times before. This advice is so common because it is absolutely crucial to target low competition niches in order to get sales on KDP, especially if you are a beginner and don't have money to invest on ads. Let me show you an example. Let's say for instance we are doing our niche research and we came up with the keyword funny office journals. So when we search for this keyword on Amazon, we can see that books are doing really well that has used this keyword. So we might think that this is a really lucrative niche, but actually this is a quite competitive niche with over 70,000 search results. So if you publish your books in this niche just by seeing the BSRs of the books and neglecting the high number of competition that it has, chances are you are not going to get even a single sale in this niche. So let's just quickly sort it by publication date so we can see the new publications that has been published by using this keyword. So these are not journals, these are different books. So let's look at some of the journals. So as you can see, none of the books has got a BSR and none of them are selling. So let's just quickly look at the third page. So on the third page also we can see that none of the book are selling because they don't have a BSR. So let's just quickly head on to the 10th page to see if any books are selling on the 10th page. So on the 10th page also none of the book are selling. So as you can see how crucial it is to do Write niche research, otherwise you might just waste your time publishing random stuff and not get any result. Although you are not going to make thousands of dollars per month by one book by publishing books on low competition niches, but once you get the gist of doing the niche research properly, you will have a bunch of different books that bring in small sums of money that quickly adds up to make a decent income. So if you want to learn how to do niche research, then I have already made a video on my channel, and I will also provide you the link down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. Running ads is super important when it comes to succeeding on the platform of Amazon KDP. To be honest, I started publishing books without any ads and kept doing so for the first 12 months of publishing books on KDP. But after I started running ads, it opened new doors of opportunities, and there has been a significant increase in sales after I started doing so. If you are just starting out, I can tell you from my experience, Amazon ads can be pretty scary. You open Amazon advertising dashboard 12 times a day to see if it has spent its daily budget, and with each cent spent on advertising without making a sale, you come closer to the conclusion that Amazon ads is a waste of money and it can never be profitable. But trust me, it isn't. Just like publishing books on KDP takes some time for you to get the hang of it, running ads is no different. But after you get the gist of it, you will be unstoppable. If you are just starting out, then start off by running ads on books that have some positive rating or reviews in it. This increases the chance of campaign being successful. If you want to learn how to run Amazon ads, there is a video on the channel that goes into the subtle detail on running ads on Amazon. Setting proper goals is absolute key in keeping yourself motivated. In any task you do, there are going to be times when you feel like it is just pointless to do the task. But if you have set proper goals, they will keep you accountable to finish the task. If the goals are not set properly, they can have the negative effect. You need to set your goals based on your actions rather than results. Let's say for instance, if you are starting out on KDP, set a goal of publishing X amount of high quality books in a month rather than making X amount of money. The benefit of setting goals based on your action is that it is under your control and it tells you exactly what you need to do to achieve your goal. Whereas if you set a goal of making $300 per month, the goal is outside of your control. It doesn't tell you about what actions you need to take to get there, and you will lose all the motivation to work after you reach that goal. So make sure that you set clear goals that is based on your action. The results will definitely follow. And last but not least, don't compare your results with others. When I started publishing books on Amazon KDP, I was a member of different KDP related Facebook groups. People used to post their income reports, especially the one who just started publishing books on KDP, and anytime I saw someone doing substantially well in just few weeks, whereas I struggled to get even a single sale, this just downright demotivated me. So before you compare your results with others, you have to keep in mind that everybody is different and they possess different set of skills that will greatly influence their success. A person who has a 3-year experience in graphic design is going to have a massive results compared to the one who is just new to this field. And this should not demotivate you or make you feel inferior. It's just that you need to give some more time to learn some concepts to get the same results. So friends, if you follow these 4 useful steps, it will drastically improve your results in terms of publishing books on Amazon KDP. So I hope you found some value in this video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.